Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Today in this video, we will learn a Python program, a Python code by which we will merge multiple Excel file into a single Excel file. Just you see, we have multiple Excel file. These data of Excel file will be merged in this file. So this Python code will work as a advanced VLOOKUP command which we used in MS Excel. So you see in this Excel file, we have a serial number, we have a name, and we have a roll number. So name may be anything, whatever you want. I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. But the key point is roll number. So I have some roll number here. So on the basis of roll number, my Python program will search this roll number in these file. Like I have these two file, one file which I want to merge, and the first file we have the main file. So I want to merge the data of this roll number, means the roll number 1, this roll number 1, this Q's marks, we have a 10 marks. So this mark should come here. So if we have more file, like we have file number 2, and we have some more data of this roll number, like roll number 1 we have a 4. So similarly, on the basis of roll number, this Python program will search the data in each and every file on the basis of roll number, and if the roll number found, if the data found in correspondence of the roll number, the all data will merge here in this file. So this is the behavior of the VLOOKUP command, but VLOOKUP command have some limitation, that in VLOOKUP command one by one we have to copy paste all the files here, and then we have to apply the VLOOKUP. And VLOOKUP only apply by one way, means roll number. If roll number found, then it will merge the information. If roll number do not found, then it will leave the information. But this Python program will work in two way. First way, if roll number found, then it will display or merge the information just in front of the roll number. If roll number does not found, it will add the extra roll number here, which those roll number are available in these Excel file. Suppose in main file we have roll number 38, 1 to 38, but here we have roll number 39. So 39 roll number will automatically be merged here. If the roll number is not available in main list, then automatically it will merge the all roll number data in single file. So this is the working of this code, and this code name is dvk merge excel. You can see the code here. If you open this, so this is a simple code. If we have this code, so by this code you can merge. This is the main code here. This code is depend on this folder, the all file available, those we want to merge, all file is available in this folder. And this file, this command os.path exit will check if this location is exist and files, the main file is also exist, then it will search one by one all the file in this folder, and it will display which file is merging. And one by one, on the basis of roll number is given, on the basis of roll number, the old data from the file those are available in this Excel folder will be merged automatically in main file.xls. So that means this code will read each and every file from this folder, and it will read all the information available in these file, and all data as per the roll number will merge in this main file. So this is the coding of this Python code, and in this code I have used the OS library and the pandas library of Python, and with the help of this we have merged the all Excel file into single one, and it is working as a advanced VLOOKUP command which we used in MS Excel. So how it is working, you see, I am opening a command prompt here, and here command prompt you see I have the my code, and I have Excel folder also, main file also. Just I have to run this and I press enter, and it will automatically read the file one by one, you see. And permission deny, because I have already opened this file, that is the problem. So I have to close this file, and once again I have to run this program because my main file was open. So that was the problem for merging. Now once again I have to run this command. So cls for clear, and then once again I have to run this command, and you see, one by one it will merge all the file in my main file, you see. And it's a merging completed successfully, and given the information which I have entered about myself. And you see now that this main file having all the data which was available in these file one by one. You see queues number 1 to all queues which are available here, 2 3 4 5, all the queues available will be merged here, you see. All the data those were available. These are some blank field, blank column. It may come if we have some column those we have not deleted. Extra column may also come, but it is depend on the file. Otherwise all data which we have, it automatically comes just by the roll number. You see, we have 1 here, and we have 2 and 3, another also just like this. 2 is here, so we can cut and we can paste here also. Okay, and we have other also, 3 we have, 4 we have, all the columns we have. We can arrange all these because it depend on the file which we have first. If we have a queues1 file first, then it will merge the 1. If we have a queues2 file first, it will merge the 2. But all the file data will be merged automatically on the basis of the roll number. And if some roll number is extra found, because in this file no roll number is extra, but if some roll number is extra found, automatically roll number will be inserted here. So it will work as a advanced VLOOKUP. And if you want to get this code, if you want to get this code, you want to use this code, you can use this code from the, you can download this code from the GitHub, and the link of GitHub I will give in my description. And if you want to get more detail about the code, you can also read my blog, and I will give the link of the blog also in the description. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in more videos. Bye.